Why do people stop respecting you? People don't suddenly lose respect for you. It almost never works that way. Respect doesn't disappear in one moment. It erodes slowly when someone senses that you are afraid of them. In other words, people literally feel your fear. Most people don't even notice when it starts happening. They hesitate to speak up. They avoid disagreement. They stay silent when something feels wrong. And little by little, they begin allowing behavior that quietly crosses their boundaries. And in psychology and in spiritual teachings alike, this is a consistent truth. Life responds to the energy of your self-respect. Eckhart Tolle often speaks about awareness of the present moment and inner presence. From that perspective, fear is not just an emotion. It is a signal that you have left your center. And when you are not centered, others unconsciously feel it. In Zen teachings, there's a simple idea. When you are rooted in yourself, there's nothing to defend. Boundaries are not aggression, they are clarity. When you say quietly no, it is stronger than a reactive argument. A philosopher, Marcus Aurelius, emphasized something similar. You cannot control how others behave, but you are fully responsible for your own response. And your dignity is always under your control. No one can take it unless you surrender it. Even modern spiritual teachings like the ideas of Vadim Zeland's reality shifts suggest that when you place too much importance on others' opinions or approval, you create what he calls excess potential. In simple terms, you destabilize your own position by making others too important in your inner world. But the core principle across all these teachings is the same. Don't operate from fear. Operate from inner stability. Because people will always, consciously or not, test your boundaries. Not out of cruelty, but out of human nature. They want to understand where limits are. And if there are no limits, they will define them for you. That's why the most powerful people are not the loudest or the most aggressive. They are the ones who can stay calm while being absolutely firm. No anger, no drama, just quiet certainty. So the real lesson is simple. Don't fear people. Don't surrender your boundaries. Don't outsource your self-respect. So guys, raise your intention today to set your boundaries, to be respected. Comment down below, I deserve to be respected. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.